together we are going to proceed the program. Yes.
नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए आ रहे हैं क्लास 9 से मंटू एंड आशीष राय। प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
मंटू एंड आशीष।
आदर्श पांडे और हिमांशु। आदर्श पांडे एंड हिमांशु प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। एंड अमन तिवारी और उज्ज्वल। अमन तिवारी एंड उज्ज्वल। सौम्या एंड सोनाक्षी गर्ल्स। सौम्या एंड सोनाक्षी। अनन्या जायसवाल एंड प्रीति। अनन्या जायसवाल एंड प्रीति। श्रेया एंड वैष्णवी। श्रेया एंड वैष्णवी प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
All the participants join. For the participants and contestants, put your hands together. All the children, put your hands together. Be energetic. Don't worry. Tomorrow you will get off. Don't worry at all. Today you have to be very energetic. One day you have to dedicate for this program, and tomorrow you will get off. So don't worry at all. So be energetic during this program. Right now, all the contestants, please come on the stage. Come fast. Yes, ma'am. Where are the other contestants? Please contestant. Yes, Sonakshi.
मंटू क्लास 5। आदर्श पांडे from class 5।
Mantu, Adarsh Pandey, where is?
हिमांशु।
Come fast. Join.
आशीष राय।
Don't hide yourself. Come.
आशीष राय हिमांशु from class 5। अमन तिवारी from class 5।
Aman, come on. Let's see. Don't hide yourself.
उज्ज्वल from class 5।
Ujjwal, come here.
हिमांशु।
Ujjwal, Himanshu, come fast. You all are young and energetic. Okay? In this age we can be energetic, then why not you can? That's why the matter doesn't matter about that you are of 60 years or 16 years. The matter of the excitement. If you are connected with the program, definitely you will feel the energy level. So don't worry at all. As I was energetic in the morning, the same energy I am feeling this time also. So don't worry, this is your program. And tomorrow you will get off, so connect with the program. Yes, yes, the same energy level we are going to perform is just like the morning. Yes, we have one by one. I am going to announce the candidate. Ashish and Mantu, Adarsh and Himanshu, and Aman and Ujjwal. Right now we have, yes, Ananya and Preeti, Soumya, Sonakshi, and Vaishnavi and Shreya. Let's start the game. Okay? I hope this is a very tough game because all are very they are doing the questions. So we start. The first question from team A, Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Yes, Ganda. Yes. And connect with the mouth. Yes. Speak loudly. Second. Rhinoceros. No, it's wrong. The right spelling is R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Okay? The second is millionaire. The second is millionaire. Millionaire. Spell it. Millionaire. A person who has £1 million is called a millionaire. Spell it. Millionaire. A person who has a million. Yes. A-I-R-E is wrong. The next one is, it's wrong. The next one is oblivious. Oblivious होता है अनजान. Here the person is not knowing. Oblivious. Spell it. Oblivious. Oblivious. All the children correct with the questions. Oblivious. Fast. Be energetic, all the children. You all are young children. To show your youth potential. Oblivious. 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 Fast. O-B L-I-V-O. Correct. Oblivious is correct. The next one is commodity. Commodity means होता है goods, सामान. Commodity. 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 Yes. Yes. Commodity. Okay, right now. Next one. Don't stop. Repeat. Commodity. Next. You stop. Commodity. Only the three questions. The time is less. Repeat. You not. C-O-M-M-O-D-I. Commodity law. The second one is massacre. Massacre means many people are killed during this. Massacre. Fast. Massacre. No, it's M-A-S-S-A-C-R-E. Wrong. The third one is ambitious. Ambitious. Repeat. No, it's wrong. A-M-B-I-T-I-O-U-S. Ambitious. Now, brother team, next team, C team. Okay, Anjul and Aman. Okay, the first word is irrigation. 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 Fast. Correct. Second is mitochondria. 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 Fast. Mitochondria, speak. No, it's wrong. M-I-T-O-C-H-O-N-D-R-I-A. Mitochondria. The third one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This is the longest side of right in the triangle. Hypotenuse. H-Y-P-O. Correct. This is correct. Up right now from team D. 3 questions from team D. Okay. Is anemia. Anemia is the lack of healthy red blood cells. Anemia is a disease. It's a lack of healthy red blood cells. Anemia. Anemia is the lack of healthy red blood cells. Fast, Ananya. Time is limited. A-double-N, it's wrong. A-double-N you say? Yes or no? Ududala. Wrong. A-N-A-E-M-I-A, anemia. The next one is scavenger. Scavenger feed on dead and decaying matter. Scavenger. Correct. Next one is phenomena. These are third. Phenomena. Phenomena. Spell it. Phenomena. No, it's wrong. Huh? Phenomena is okay. Repeat again. No. P-H-E-N-O-M-E-N-A. Phenomena. So stop. Now Soumya and Sonakshi. Are you ready? The first word is resilience. Resilience होता है the ability to adopt well in adversity. Resilience. 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 The ability to adopt well in.
Rebellions or resilience?
The ability to adopt well in adversity.
Rebellions or resilience?
Resilience. Resilience.
So, the meaning of the resilience are developed by
Yes.
the meaning of the resilience is R-E-S-S-I-L-I-E-N-C.
Yes. You speak.
R-E-S-S-I-L-I-E-N-C.
No. R-E-S-I-L-I-E-N-C. Resilience. Resilience. Next. Tympanum. Tympanum eardrum. Tympanum. Yes, children, settle down. All the children sit down peacefully and connect with our here program. Tomorrow you will get off. Don't worry at all. It's T-Y-M-P-A-N-U-M, Tympanum's eardrum. The next is whistling. Yeah, man, third. Third is done. One. Whistling. Whistling is this.
The spell of the whistling is W-H-I-S-T-L-I-N-G.
To take a much is the spelling. Class 10 children. All the class 10 children. Sit here. Don't go further. Self-made. Whistling.
W-H-I-S-T-L-I-N-G.
Whistling is to make a musical or high sound.
W-H-I-S-T-L-I-N-G.
Yes, correct. Next one. Okay, third. Next, encyclopedia. All the class 10 children एकदम silently वहीं बैठ जाइए. When I will come to you, then I will look into this. All the children sit down properly. Nobody will move from there. Yes, encyclopedia. Correct. The next is banquet.
Sir, it's spelled B-A-N-Q-U-E-T.
Banquet. Correct. The next one is calamity. हो गया third? Calamity. Calamity.
C-A-L-A-M-I-T-Y.
Correct. Next. Scroll. Yes, children. Right now the highest score will be C and F will be D. Right now elimination are A, B, D and E. Only the C and F, they have got the highest score 3 and 3. C and F. Right now the rest of the teams can move. A, B, D, E can move from. Yes. Right now team A, elimination down. Only the highest scorer team will be here. Yes, better move. They have got, C has got 3 points, F has got 3 points. Okay, let's further move. Right now we have team C and F. C move from here. C and F. Okay, right now I will ask you 2 questions. The first question is timid. Timid. Correct. The next one is persuade. Persuade when convince someone to do. P-E-R. Yes, you? No, wrong. P-R-S-U-A-D. Persuade. Okay, the next one. Millennium. Correct. The next one is disguise. Disguise with the false name.
Sir, repeat it.
Disguise.
Sir, it's spelled D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E-D.
Correct. Disguise. Right now the mission note of this. Yes. Right now what it is. I'm going to go ahead. See. The next one is desperate. First one. Chalo, start karo. Desperate. No, it is D-E-S-P-E-R-A-T. Desperate. Wrong. Pass. And दूसरा देखो. Stipulate. Stipulate होता है to make a contract. Stipulate.
E-S-T-I-P-U-L-A-T.
Repeat. Stipulate. Repeat.
E-S-T-I-P-U-L-A-T.
No, wrong. S-T-I-P-U-L-A-T. Wrong. The next is journalist. You, journalist. Journalist. Correct. The next is ये hippopotamus scupophobia. Spell it.
It's spelled H-I-P-P-O-P-O-D-O-M-O-N-S.
F-O-N.
It's spelled H-I-P-P-O-P-O-S-P-O-T-M-O-N-S-T-I-O-S-E-S.
T-I-O. No.
Sir, R.
Yes. आगे.
R-O-S-C-S. Q.
Yes. What are
Spelled H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-O.
Hippopotamus scupophobia.
It's spelled H-I-P-P-O-P-O-T-O-M-O-N-I-N-T-R.
No, wrong. This is wrong. The final round. The winning is yes. Come. Right now, the Shreya is the winner in this round. Shreya is the winner. Yes, the first and second. Yes, this is first and this is second. Yes, right now, class 8 children. Anant, Ravi, fast, come fast. Anant and Ravi, Shreyansh, Rudra, Deepak and Karan. Come fast. Class 8 children, come fast. Anant, Ravi, Shreyansh, Rudra, Deepak, Karan. Girls में वर्षा, सृष्टि, अनामिका, सृष्टि, खुशी, सिमरन. Come fast. Join the podium. All the children join the podium. And encourage to all the children, those who are on the podium. Concentrate. Please with us. Come fast, join. Yes, without audience, there is no program. So children, first they have given the confidence in you. Right now, you have to encourage them. Yes. Yes, ready? All the children. We have 6 teams. Let's start the game because time is less. So let us start the game. The first is ritualistic. The first word is ritualistic. Start. Yes, ritualistic. Ritualistic. Yes. Ritualistic. Yes, start. Ritualistic. Repeat. Correct. Ritualistic is correct. A big round of applause, all the children. The next one is visible. Okay, you can exchange the partner. Any problem? Exchange the partner. Okay. Yeah, what is the problem? Rudra beta, तुम उसके साथ हैं? Okay. ठीक है? Okay. Start. Visible. Visible. Visible is व्यवहारिक, practical. Visible. Start. Repeat. No, it's wrong. This is V-A-S-I-B-L-E. Visible होता है व्यवहारिक, practical. And the third question is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros, stand up. Repeat. No, it's wrong. The right spelling spelling is RHINOCEROS, Rhinoceros. Okay, the next team, 3 question at last. The next team, ready? Deepak and Karan. The next one is Stampede. Stampede is Bhaktad. Stampede. Yes, Stampede. Stampede, Stampede. Stampede Bhaktad. Stampede. Yes. P-E-D. No, P-D-E, wrong. The Stampede, S-T-A-M-P-E-D, Stampede होता है Bhaktad. The next one is interpret. Interpret. जो highest scorer होंगे वही next team में होंगे. Interpret. Fast. Interpret. Fast. Time is very less. Interpret. Repeat. Speak loudly. No, wrong. It's INTRPRET, interpret. The next one is serendipity. Serendipity होता है good luck. Serendipity is good luck. Fast. Serendipity, good luck. Serendipity, good luck. Fast, loaded. Only the partners. S-C-R. Wrong. It is S-C-R-E-N-D-I-P-A-T-I. Serendipity, wrong. Right now from the team C. From the team C, stunned. I am stunned by your performance. Stunned. Stunned. S. Correct. Stunned. The next one is pointing. Pointing होता है जो सबसे आगे हो. Pointing. Pointing. The person who is leading is called the pointing.
P-O-I-N-E-R.
No, it's P-I-O-N-E-R. Wrong. The next is alleviate. Alleviate. Alleviate वाले minimize करना, क्यों करना? Reduce. Alleviate. ये थर्ड है. Alleviate. Alleviate is A-L-L-E-V-I-A-T. Alleviate होता है to minimize, कम करना, हो गया. Right now the next is bona fide. Bona fide माने genuine. Bona fide from Hindi. Bona fide.
M-O-N-O-F-I-E-D-Y.
Yes.
M-O-N-O-F-I-E-D-Y.
Bona fide. It's wrong. The next B-O-N-A-F-I-D. Bona fide. The next is spelling genuine. Genuine. Spelling genuine. Genuine.
G-E-N-E-I-C.
Repeat.
G-E-N-E-I-C.
No. G-E-N-U-I-N-E. The next is infantry. Infantry होता है foot soldiers. Infantry. Foot soldiers.
I-N-F-A-N-T-R-Y.
Infantry होता है foot soldier. Join the infantry after leaving school. Correct. Yes, correct. Okay, third. Next one. Do very right. Chaos. 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 Chaos माने disorder, अव्यवस्था. Chaos.
C-H-A-O-S.
The next one is coerce. Coerce. This to force to do something. To force to do. Coerce. Fast. किसी का हाईएस्ट है? Goers. Goers. Fast. Varsha Vigundan time. Wrong. Abstain. Abstain or to stop to do. Abstain. Abstain. Abstain means to stop to do. Abstain. Abstain. Mangal, sit down. Why sit down? Fast. ABS. Correct. Abstain is correct. Write down the next one. Tell me. Pythagoras. Pythagoras. Spell. Pythagoras. 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 What is it? Speak fast. Pythagoras. Wrong. GORAS. The next one is opaque. Opaque होता है not clear. Opaque. Opaque. Not clear. Opaque. Opaque is not clear. Fast. Opaque. No, it's wrong. OPAQE. Okay, Maitri? One more. One more is conceal. Conceal is the height. Conceal. The meaning is height. Conceal. Conceal. सारा विनर का ट्रॉफी भी है ना? Conceal. No, it's CONCAL. Okay, madam? Final? Give me the score. Okay, right now, Team B and Team F. Team B, 0. Out. Right now, this is the elimination round. And Team F. Yes, this is the elimination round. Yes, A, C and D, they have got the same score and he is the highest scorer too. Let's start with, okay? The first one from Team A. Czechoslovakia. Yes, start. Czechoslovakia. It is CH. This is wrong. Czechoslovakia is wrong. Pass. Czechoslovakia. CJ. Correct answer. Yes, that is the right answer. Okay, right now the elimination round. Yes, team A. Right now they are eliminated. Yes. Right now we have 3 teams. You tell me. Yes, you. Billionaire. 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 Yes, children, connect with us. Encourage the children. They are participating. As you have participated, they have encouraged. Right now, this is your duty.
Sir, repeat.
Billionaire.
B-I-L-L-I-O-N-N-A-I-R-E.
Oh, this is wrong. Billionaire. Pass. You tell it. Pass. Pass. Billionaire. 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 Billionaire मीन्स होता है अरबपति. Billionaire. Fast. Correct. Right now you should know. Right now we have only two teams. Let them finalize who is going to win. Yes. The first is the longest word of the list. Yes. The longest word of the list is the order of the scope silco vulgar gonasis. Speak. Write it. The longest word of the list is silco vulgar gonasis. Yes, start. Correct answer. Beautiful. Yes, well done. Right now from you. Last word. Well done. Yes, good job. Okay, yes, that is. Put your hands together. The next one is Tumdal. Hippopotamus Hippodolophobia. Write it. Speak. Hippopotamus Hippodolophobia. Yes, children, right now see who is going to win. This is the climax. Hippopotamus Hippodolophobia is a fear of the long word. Yes, speak. Correct. Both are correct. Okay, wait. Let me ask a few questions. Okay, then the next is yes, country name Venezuela. Ravi, the country name Venezuela. Venezuela, the country in South America. Venezuela. Venezuela. Yes, Venezuela.
V-E-N-E-Z-U-L-A.
Repeat.
V-E-N-E-Z-U-L-A.
V-E-N-E Z J Z write it write it Venezuela. Correct. Yes, this is the correct answer. Yes. Right now, Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital of the Netherlands. Amsterdam, speech.
A-M-S-T-E-R-D-A-M.
Correct answer. Both are the correct answer. The next one is ceremonious. 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 Yes. Ceremonious. Correct. The next one is daunting. Daunting होता है very intimidating. Daunting. Daunting. Very intimidating. Daunting. Yes. Fast. Daunting. Put a date, don't take time. Fast. Correct. Intrigue. Intrigue. Intrigue is conspire. षड्यंत्र करना. Intrigue. Intrigue. Go. Yes. Yes. Intrigue. 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 No, it's wrong. Fast. Intrigue. Intrigue.
टीवी कुल बंद है क्या?
Intrigue. षड्यंत्र. Intrigue. Nobody to respond. The next one. Yes. Follow. Yes, children. Right now the heartbeat is increasing, but within 5 to 10 minutes you will finalize. Okay. Intrigue. No, those are wrong. INTRIGUE. Both are indispensable. Indispensable. Indispensable.
जनरेटर ईयर ले लिया, ठीक है। जहाँ तक का मतलब है जनरेटर ईयर लिया है वहाँ तक ना लास्ट तक का बैकग्राउंड में कर दीजिए। वीडियो कट करके थोड़ा
Indispensable.
समझ रहे हैं?
Mandatory. Indispensable. Wrong. अब right now you tell me. Next one. Mandatory. 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 Yes, children, sit down. Mamta Mansi. Yes. Mandatory means अनिवार्य, necessary. No, it's wrong. M-A-N-D-A-T-O-R-Y. Mandatory. The next word is okay. Furlough. Furlough होता है season of leave. Furlough means leave. छुट्टी. Furlough. Furlough. Spell. Furlough. Furlough. Spell it. Be ready. Furlough. Yes, furlough. You furlough. Both are wrong. F-U-R-L-O-U-G-H. Furlough. Pompous. Pompous होता है arrogant. Pompous. 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 No, wrong. Pompous. Pompous arrogant. Pompous. Speak with confidence. Don't worry. Pompous. Pompous. वैसे स्पेल करो. बोलो आराम से बोलो.
लाइट नहीं आ रहा.
P-O-M. P-O-U-S. Yeah, yes. No.
लाइट दबाइए लाइट
Compass.
दबाइए लाइट
Next one, एक और auspicious.
तो बाहर दीजिए ना
Auspicious. 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 Correct. Auspicious is correct. The next, तुम बताओ, Archimedes. 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 Archimedes, Greek mathematician. Archimedes, Greek mathematician. Fast. Time is not enough. Archimedes. No, it's wrong. ARCHIMEDES. Wrong. Right now, there's a meditation computer. Do them. Right now, there are 2 team members. Okay. Well, a question is using close. Okay. Wait. Right now, the finale round. One question I will ask. Let's see that who is going to win. Okay. The procrastinate, delay, टालना, postpone करना, procrastinate, fast, procrastinate, procrastinate, it's called procrastinate. Go. Correct. You tell me. Tenacious माने जिद्दी. Tenacious होता है जिद्दी, obstinate. Tenacious. Wrong. Right now the first winner is Ravi. Ravi is the first winner. Yes. Applause for the Ravi. Yes. And winner is